Suffering from hardware problems? Geek ABC is here to help. Geek ABC is a computer repair service company serving the greater DC metro area. We perform repairs or replacement of the following components: LCD screen, motherboard, hard drive, power supply, video card, laptop hinge, and power jack. We also perform RAM upgrades or fixes for any other component you may have. Our diagnostics are completely free. We perform no services until we get your explicit price approval. Why wait? Call us now or look us up on the web.